Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Hanmant. This video is educational purpose only. This view is on gold for the week 26 July. Let us observe the chart of gold futures on international chart. So this is the chart of gold. So when we observe this particular price pattern on weekly basis, here we could see that for the last nearly 1.5 month, the gold price is stuck in a price band of $1750 to that of 1832. So here we could observe the pattern of candle formation. They are completely in a very small narrow band, in this small narrow band. So here the price is unable to take up any particular specific direction over here. So when we consider a kind of trend line touching this particular bottom to that of the next, this low to this particular next higher low, then we could see that this particular price may even extend to this particular lows of, it has to touch to a low of 1778 on this particular chart for gold. So let us analyze the same on Indian chart. Suppose here if we consider the same gold price, so let me consider here a weekly graph. Here if we take up the weekly chart of these gold futures, again we could see, let me connect this low to the next low here, higher low, or let me connect one more from this low to that of the next here to this low, higher low. So now here we could see that it is completely following the trend line, right? For the last few days it is following the trend line, and once it has touched this particular trend line somewhere here at around 44,138, and it has made a high of 49,651. Now there can be a probability, right? So there can be a probability of once again hitting over this particular trend line somewhere here, right? This is a weekly chart, so the probability is here. If it happens in this week, then it may touch at this area of 46,465. So it may near about touch this area. Now we will do one thing, we will consider it in daily terms. When we go with the daily terms here, the same chart, now let me consider here for the same daily chart, let me join the lows once again, how the pattern is changing, or let me make a trend line, a horizontal trend line, right, touching the previous lows. See, it has touched this particular lows previously 2 to 3 times, it has covered the same area. Now let me make a close up of this. So it has covered this particular area nearly 2 to 3 times previously, right? It has tried to cover this area and it has covered this area previously. Now if it has to return back to the same level on daily basis, then what could be the probability? It may reach to this area, it may reach to this area. If it takes 2 to 4 days, then it may touch the trend line somewhere here. But if it has to be happen very soon, then this can be the next level to draw down, right? So let me change the color to some other red. So this horizontal trend line which I made here, it is of the red one is indicating the support in daily and the black one is indicating the support on weekly basis. So let us consider still what could be the probability then. So let me make one more trend line which is touching the top of this to that of the next top, right? Like this. See here, it has touched the lower highs every time, and now we can get some idea how this particular graph is making a move. So on the upper side it is covering around 48,500, and on the lower side it is about to move to this particular 46,600. So if it has to take any specific direction, then it has to break out of this particular triangle pattern on the upper side, right? Or if it has to break down on the lower side, then it has to move out of this particular zone. Okay, so it has to move out of this particular zone and it has to take up any particular direction. So as long as it stays in this particular range, so what I analyze here is there is a high probability for the gold to come down to this level of 46,500 to that of 600, and again it may return back to the same levels of near about 47,900. So it may take some time or it may move in this particular range. As per this particular pattern, we could understand, because it has happened previously, it has even touched the highs previously, I mean lower highs. So if it has to again move in that band, then again it may take up the support at the horizontal trend line. Here we could see it took support here at horizontal trend line, previously it took support over here. Now there is also a probability that it may take up support at the horizontal trend line and again move back to the lower highs, right, and again return back to this, and it has to break down or break out on some direction, either on the upside or on the downside. If it has to break out, then it may take up this particular direction, or if it has to break down, then it may take up this way, so that there can be a fast move. Until and unless there won't be any breakout in this channel, in this particular triangle pattern, so it cannot make any we can't expect much changes in the gold. So as per as this week is concerned, I view that as long as it stays within the same zone, it may remain in a price band of 47,900 to that of 46,500. So if it has to make any big move, then it must be out of this particular range. So this is my view on gold for the week of 26th July. Friends, if you like this video, please do share, support, like my channel, and support my channel. Please do subscribe also. Thank you.